Good morning, student. I hope you are fine in this wonderful morning. In last class, we studied about the 5 classes of microorganisms, that was bacteria, fungi, virus, algae and protozoa. So today we are going to study another class of microorganisms, that is called algae. So we will know what is algae. Microorganism which resemble means look like, the microorganism which look like green plant are known as algae. Why they look like green plant? Because they contain chlorophyll. The algae look like green plant because they contain chlorophyll. Now these algae look like green plant. Now what is their size? Their size is 0.1 micron to 50 micron. Their size ranges from 0.2 to 50 micron. Now, all algae are not green. As we have studied earlier, that they look like green plant because they contain chlorophyll. Now, all algae are not green. Some of them are red and brown. So, now we can say that all algae are not green. Some red and brown algae are also present in our environment. Green algae are photosynthetic. Why they are photosynthetic? They are photosynthetic because they contain chlorophyll and they can prepare their food by their own. Hence they are photosynthetic. Our fourth point is about algae, that they are unicellular. What do you mean by unicellular? Those organisms, those microorganisms whose body are made of one and only one cell, they are called unicellular. So algae are unicellular organisms, microorganisms. So algae, they are colonial. Colonial means to say that they live in group, or filamentous. Filamentous means rod shape or sheet-like shape. Rod shape or sheet-like shape. This is called filamentous. Now, fifth point is what is the example of algae? So we will see the example of algae. Chlorella is example of algae. Chlorella is an example of freshwater algae. Means that chlorella lives in fresh water. So chlorella is rich in protein, vitamins and minerals, and thus they are used as food. Means that chlorella is rich in protein, vitamins and minerals, hence they are used as food supplement. Now we will see the other example of algae. The other example of algae are Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra and diatoms. So now we are going to study another class of microorganisms, that is protozoa. So what is protozoa? How protozoa look alike? So we will see how protozoa look alike. So protozoa is unicellular organism. As I told you earlier, what is unicellular? Those organisms, those microorganisms, their body made up of one and only one cell, they are called unicellular or single cell microorganisms. So protozoa is a single cell or unicellular microorganism. Now protozoa, they have animal-like characteristic. So protozoa have animal-like characteristic. They are different from other which we have studied because they have animal-like characteristic, but not considered as true or real animal. Now what is animal-like characteristic present in protozoa? So they do not have cell wall present in them. Instead of that, they contain cell membrane. They prepare their food. So they are dependent on food for their others. So these are two examples, two characteristics. We can say that they have animal-like characteristic. Now protozoa size ranges from 2 to 200 microns. Means that the smallest protozoa is of 2 microns and the largest protozoa is of 200 microns. Now we will see some example of protozoa. The example of protozoa is amoeba, paramecium, euglena and trypanosoma. So this euglena is different from other protozoa. Why? Because they contain chlorophyll, they are green in color, they perform photosynthetic process or they make their food by their own. That's why they are different from other protozoa. Now we will see the locomotory organs of these examples of protozoa. The amoeba locomotory organ is pseudopodia. Now what is pseudopodia? Pseudopodia look like finger-like. They look finger-like. This is called pseudopodia. The locomotory organ of paramecium is cilia. Now this cilia is hair-like structure. This is called cilia and this is locomotory organ of paramecium. This is cilia. Now trypanosoma. The locomotory organ of trypanosoma is tentacles. Means they have ability to stick on structure. Now student, what do you mean by protozoa? We will see proto. This protozoa, in which proto means first and zoa means animal. So the protozoa is the first animal which originated on earth. So now students, we are going to study our next topic, that is uses of microorganisms. So we will see what are the uses of microorganisms. So my first point is that they are used for preparation of curd. So student, some bacteria like lactobacillus helps in curdling of milk. That is called converting milk into curd is called curdling of milk. So some bacteria like lactobacillus help us in preparation of curd. Not only it helps in preparation of curd, but also help in preparation of bakery products. So student, some or microorganisms also help in preparation of bakery product, that is preparation of cake and breads. They are also used for preparation of idli and dosa. So students, microorganism also helps in preparation of South Indian food like idli, dosa and bhaturas. So student, now our second point is microorganisms like yeast are used for production of alcohol. So students, microorganisms not only help in preparation of curds and making bakery products, but it also help in production of alcohol by the process known as fermentation process. So students, microorganisms help in prepare of alcohol by the process of fermentation process. Our third point is microorganisms are decomposers. So students, microorganisms are decomposers, are eco-friendly. That means that when some sort of animals or plants dies out, then these microorganisms feed on their hard flesh and convert it into soft flesh and then return it into the soil, and thus it helps in cleaning of environment or prevent from spreading pollution. Student, our fourth point is bacteria are used for preparation of medicine like insulin. So microorganisms like bacteria are used for making medicine to cure diabetic patient. Fungi are used for making antibiotics like penicillin. So not only bacteria is used for preparation of medicine, but microorganisms like fungi are also used for making antibiotics and to get rid from bacterial disease. Now our fifth point is leguminous plant contains rhizobium bacteria. So student, in last chapter we have studied about leguminous plant. So leguminous plant like pulses plant or pea plant contains rhizobium bacteria in their root nodules, and this rhizobium bacteria fixes nitrogen from atmosphere and convert it into ammonium and then from ammonium to nitrate and nitrite, and this nitrate and nitrite act as a fertilizer and thus it increases the fertility of soil. So students, microorganisms are very helpful. They are used in making curds, bakery products. They are used for making alcohols. They act as a decomposers or eco-friendly. They are used for making antibiotics and medicine to cure diabetic patient, and they also helps in increasing the fertility of soil. So student, we can see the uses of microorganisms. So our sixth point is bacteria when mixed with cream. So we are consuming a flavored butter in our home. So bacteria are mixed in cream to get those flavored butter. The flavored butter we are consuming in our home, how they are prepared? By mixing them into cream. So be aware before consuming those flavored butter. So our seventh point is bacteria help in ripening of tea leaves. So students, bacteria helps in ripening of tea leaves and providing aroma to tea leaves. It not only help in making medicine, increasing soil fertility or preparation of alcohol, it helps in ripening of tea leaves. Not only ripening of tea leaves, it provides aroma to tea leaves, and it also help in ripening of coffee and cocoa as well. So these are the uses of commercial, medicinals, and so students, these are the example of commercial, medicinal and eco-friendly to environment. So students, we have studied the 5 different classes of microorganisms, which were the first was bacteria, second fungi, third virus, fourth algae, and the fifth one was protozoa. And these were the uses of those microorganisms. That's